The Secret Space Program, SSP. Beyond the public narrative of space exploration lies a world shrouded in secrecy. A shadowy realm where highly classified missions, advanced technology, and covert operations unfold under the watchful eye of government agencies, private contractors, and elite power structures. This is the realm of the Secret Space Program, SSP, an alleged covert initiative that has operated for decades, developing capabilities that far surpass anything acknowledged by NASA or the mainstream space industry. If the whispers from insiders, whistleblowers, and leaked documents are true, the SSP has already established human outposts on the Moon, Mars, and beyond, while wielding technology so advanced that it borders on the realm of science fiction. The origins of the Secret Space Program, a post-war agenda. The origins of the Secret Space Program trace back to Operation Paperclip, the covert U.S. government initiative that brought over 1,600 Nazi scientists, engineers, and technicians to America after World War II. Among these scientists was Werner von Braun, the architect of Nazi Germany's V-2 rocket program, who became a leading figure in NASA's development of the Saturn V rocket. But while NASA was publicly tasked with taking America to the moon, some of these Nazi scientists were allegedly absorbed into classified programs that operated parallel to NASA's public missions. These covert programs focused not just on space exploration, but on reverse engineering alien technology recovered from crashed UFOs, including the infamous Roswell incident of 1947. According to insiders, the technology recovered from these incidents was so advanced that it forced the U.S. government to create a parallel space program to study, replicate, and deploy these technologies in secret. Project Solar Warden, the foundation of the SSP. One of the most prominent elements of the SSP is Project Solar Warden, a top-secret space fleet that allegedly operates a fleet of advanced spacecraft capable of traveling beyond our solar system. According to whistleblowers such as Corey Goode and Gary McKinnon, Solar Warden was established in the 1980s under the auspices of the Strategic Defense Initiative, SDI, commonly known as Star Wars. Solar Warden reportedly consists of at least 8 massive spacecraft carriers and dozens of support craft, equipped with anti-gravity propulsion systems, energy-based weapons, and cloaking technology. These spacecraft patrol near-Earth space and beyond, defending Earth from potential extraterrestrial threats while maintaining a constant watch over the activities of other civilizations in our galactic neighborhood. Advanced technologies. Reverse engineering. Alien craft. Central to the SSP's operations is the reverse engineering of extraterrestrial technology recovered from UFO crashes and other encounters. Insiders claim that exotic propulsion systems, zero-point energy devices, and advanced weapons technology were successfully replicated through classified programs that operated outside the boundaries of traditional government oversight. Among the most revolutionary technologies allegedly developed by the SSP are anti-gravity propulsion, spacecraft capable of manipulating gravitational fields, allowing for instantaneous travel across vast distances. Wormhole and Stargate technology, devices that can bend space-time, enabling rapid travel between distant star systems. Energy weapons and defense systems, space-based weapons capable of neutralizing threats from Earth or beyond with precision. If these technologies exist, they would make conventional space travel, as depicted by NASA's Apollo and Artemis missions, look primitive by comparison. Some theorists suggest that the SSP has already established colonies on Mars, built underground bases on the Moon, and explored the outer reaches of our solar system, all while the public remains blissfully unaware. Colonies on the Moon and Mars, establishing a breakaway civilization. Perhaps the most staggering claim about the SSP is that it has established a breakaway civilization on Mars and the Moon. Insiders have described underground cities and bases on both celestial bodies, capable of supporting human life for extended periods. These colonies, allegedly built using advanced construction techniques and exotic materials, are said to house not only military personnel, but also scientists, engineers, and members of an elite ruling class. Mars colonization, the reality behind mission. Red Sun. Some whistleblowers have linked the SSP to Mission Red Sun, an alleged covert mission to Mars in the 1970s that established a permanent human presence on the red planet. According to these accounts, Mars is home to a network of underground facilities connected by magnetic levitation, maglev transit systems, with outposts designed to monitor the planet's surface for extraterrestrial activity. The Moon as a launch pad for deep space missions. The Moon, with its low gravity and abundance of resources, serves as an ideal staging ground for interstellar missions. SSP insiders claim that the far side of the Moon hosts a massive base known as Lunar Operations Command, LOC, which serves as a hub for deep space operations, a refueling station for advanced spacecraft, and a command center for Solar Warden's fleet. Secret alliances. Collaboration with extraterrestrial civilizations. According to whistleblowers, the SSP is not operating alone. Some claim that the program has established alliances with various extraterrestrial species, many of whom have been observing humanity for millennia. These alliances, known as interstellar treaties, allegedly govern the exchange of technology, information, and resources between Earth and other civilizations. While some of these extraterrestrial groups are said to be benevolent and interested in aiding humanity's evolution, others are rumored to have darker motives, using human labor, genetic material, and resources to further their own agendas. The cover-up. Why the SSP remains hidden. If the secret space program is real, why has the public never been told? The answer lies in a complex web of secrecy, disinformation, and elite control. The existence of the SSP would destabilize the global power structure, undermining the authority of nation-states, religious institutions, and economic systems. Disclosure would reveal that humanity is not alone, that free energy technologies exist, and that we have already achieved interstellar travel, all of which would render the current global order obsolete. To maintain control, the truth about the SSP has been buried under layers of compartmentalization, intimidation, and disinformation. Insiders who have attempted to expose the program have been silenced, threatened, or discredited, ensuring that the public remains in the dark. The implications. Are we living in a controlled reality? If the SSP is real, then the implications are profound. It would mean that humanity has already achieved interstellar travel and established a presence beyond Earth. The technologies that could eradicate poverty, pollution, and energy scarcity have been deliberately suppressed. We are part of a galactic community that has been observing and interacting with Earth for centuries. As whispers of disclosure grow louder and the boundaries of mainstream science are pushed ever further, the question remains, how much longer can the truth be kept hidden? And when the veil is finally lifted, will humanity be prepared to confront the reality of the secret space program and its far-reaching implications? The answers may lie beyond the stars, in a realm where secrets, lies, and unimaginable technology have shaped a hidden reality that is waiting to be revealed. But until that moment arrives, the secret space program remains the greatest story never told, a tale of cosmic ambition, covert alliances, and a future that has already begun.